Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do a factory reset on Huawei Watch GT 3. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just go to the top bar and here go to settings, scroll down and go to system. Again scroll down and we have here reset. Just press on this and the resetting will erase all your data. Reset, just select yes. And now you need to wait for a few seconds until your watch will restart. And now I'm back, and all that you must do is to select your language and pair again your watch with your phone. So it's very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.